Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by isolating water and creating safe access. Turn the main and relieve pressure. Remove trim, spout, and drain hardware so plumbing is exposed. Cut the caulk bead along the rim and notch drywall at the tub flange to free the edge. Once done, slide 1/2 plywood under the tub lip to protect the floor and plan your lift path. Make sure power tools are ready. Use a reciprocating saw to penetrate between tub and framing. Slow, controlled cuts prevent drywall collapse. Now focus on disconnecting and freeing the tub from its restraints. Start by removing the trap and unscrewing the drain tailpiece. Cap any exposed pipes to avoid debris entering the system. Cut through nails and screws holding the flange and use a pry bar to separate the tub lip from the substructure. Score the tub body and slice it into 2-3 sections with a reciprocating saw. This reduces weight and prevents damage to surrounding finishes. Once sections are free, lift with your helpers and clear a path for exit. Finish by addressing plumbing openings and the wall cavity. Plug or temporarily cap pipe ends, inspect studs for rot, and replace damaged framing before installing the new fixture. This prevents future leaks. Bag and dispose of tub fragments according to local regulations. Separate metal and porcelain for recycling when possible. If the tub sticks during removal, stop and locate unseen fasteners, cut additional hold points, or reassess hidden adhesive pockets. Doing so prevents tearing drywall and eases extraction without escalating damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.